We have a saying here on this channel. We haven't until today, but I'm starting it, that mechanics beats muscle. And on this video, I'm gonna tell you what that means. So mechanics beats muscle. What does that mean? Well, it means that you're gonna go to the pickleball court, you're gonna see somebody, they're gonna look like they're pounding the ball. They're a banger, so to speak, is what I think the phrase is in pickleball. They hit the ball really hard. And you might be thinking, well, I can't beat that player. They hit the ball hard. But you're thinking wrong. You can beat that player because mechanics beats muscle. In pickleball, there are mechanics to strokes. There are also the laws of physics. So you combine those two together into one pickleball sandwich and you will beat that banger who simply just pounds the ball at you. So let's start first with the mechanics. If you're struggling playing pickleball, you show up, you're just not feeling it. Get back to basics. Mechanics, ready position, forehand comes to you, turn, right elbow up, slightly bent. You want to be on your toes. That's the mechanics of a forehand ground stroke. From there, you combine it with gravity. You combine it with physics. Well, when your paddle's up, when you drop it like it's hot and swing up, you automatically gain speed, you'll gain power, you'll gain momentum. Just dropping the racket or the paddle face and swinging up, you'll gain, I think it's approximately 11 miles per hour in your swing. I don't know, you can challenge me on that, but I'm pretty sure it's right. So you turn high, drop it low, step forward, get your knees down, use the gravity. It's not that hard to bend your knees unless you have knee problems, but it's usually not that hard to bend the knees. Just give in to the gravitational pull, bend. From that point on, you swing up, vertical paddle face, swing forward, eyes on the ball. You're not really seeing it, but keep your eyes down and swing out, okay? What you'll do with that shot is you put spin on it. Okay, you'll hit more consistently if you focus on mechanics over power. And what you'll do against someone who's just trying to pound the ball is the more shots that they get, if they're not mechanically sound, the more shots that they get, the more likely they're gonna miss. I made another video showing you or telling you how I played against someone, they just swung like this. They swung across their body and the ball would go hard. They would hit it hard, it would go over, but there's no mechanics in that shot. There's no consistency. They're gonna miss probably 7 out of 10 shots, 9 out of 10 shots. You want to have them hit more and more because someone who's not hitting with the proper mechanics, they're going to miss eventually. If you're not hitting the ball properly, you might get it over once, twice, but the odds are stacked against you. So mechanically sound shot combined with physics, hitting over and over again to your opponent, you're gonna beat them. That's the forehand. Backhand, same thing. You turn, paddle face up, knees bend, out. That's it. You're not gripping the paddle tight, you're loose. Loose as a goose, letting the paddle fall on both sides. Volleys, turn, but you have a loose posture, loose body. You're not clenched up. And the more shots, again, you hit over the net, you increase your chances of winning. Just remember, when you're hitting ground strokes, the natural fall forces spin and depth in your shot. You don't pull up, you stay grounded, centered, head locked in, and just repeatedly get the ball over. There are times where you're gonna wanna hit the ball hard, try to hit a winner. That's great, it looks cool, but the pickleball court, it's only so big, they're just gonna get it back, okay? So you want to give them more shots to hit. When in doubt on where to hit the ball to a safety post or down the middle, okay? But you want to try to give them more opportunities to miss. That's essentially what pickleball is about. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe button, do all the things, please.